Hello student. Today I am going to learn new chapter number 7 Samvarti Karya Sadika. Samvarti means the unity and Karya means task. Sadika means accomplishes. The meaning of our lesson is unity accomplishes the task, means we can do any difficult work by unity. So let's start with our introduction. This is a famous collection of stories in Sanskrit. The writer is Pandit Narayan. It is believed that this work was composed in 9th century AD. In this work, there are many fables which have a moral. One of these is presented here. In this story, the importance of organization is described, but the background has been presented in a very different manner. If we are constantly suspicious, we may not be able to get anything to eat or drink. Hence, one should be spacious and get one's work with courage. When one begins to do this, problems are created due to qualities of a greed, then it is organization which helps. This is the moral that can be got from this story. If the animal kingdom can live in organization, human society too should try to live in similar manner. This is also suggested in this story. As you look at this story from the point of view, or remember that you have learned the various past tense form of verb used in this lesson. So let's start with our lesson. Asti Godavari Tire Vishal Samli Taru. Asti means it was, and Godavari Tire means at the river bank of a Godavari. Vishal means a huge, and Samli Taru means a tree of a silk cotton. विविधेभ्य देशेभ्य समागता बहव विहागा तत्र रात्रो निवसन्ति. Means विविधेभ्य देशेभ्य means from the various country. Bahava means lot of, vihaga means birds. Tatra means there, ratro means in the night, and nivasanti means take shelter or a stay. The translation of our two lines is: there was a large silk cotton tree on the bank of river Godavari. Many birds had come from various countries, used to stay there at night. तेषु लघुपतक नामसा वायस अपि एकतम अस्ति. तेषु means among them. लघुपतक nama means Laghupatak is the name of a Vayas. Vayas means a crow. Laghupatak is a name of crow. Api Ekatam means once. Among them was also a crow by name Laghupatak nama. अथ कदाचित् प्रभातकाले स वायस कृत्तान्नं द्वितीयम् एव अटन्त विहगम पश्यत. अथम कदाचित means once. प्रभात काले means in the morning. कृत्तान्तं द्वितीयम इवम अटन्त व्याघम पश्यत. व्याघम means a hunter. पश्यत means show. Now once the crow saw the hunter like a second god of a death moving about in the morning. Tvam alokyam sochayati. Tvam alokyam means by seeing him. Sochayanti means think. Adhya pratareva anishta darshanam sajatam. Adhya means today. Pratareva means in the morning. Anishta darshanat. Anishta means undesirable. or a bad things. संजातत means will show. न जाने तत किमन्न विपरीतम दर्शयिष्यति means by seeing the hunter, the crow thought. Today, in the morning itself, the sight of a bad thing took place. I don't know what undesirable thing it will show. Thus, think he become anxious. Means iti vichayanta savyakula sanjata. Means vichayanta means think. And vyakula sanjata means be anxious. The final translation of our first paragraph is, there was a large cotton tree on the bank of a river Godavari. Many birds who had come from a various country used to stay there at night. Among them, there was a crow named Lagupataka. Now, once the crow saw a hunter like the second god of death moving about in the morning. Having seen him, the crow thought, today in the morning itself the sight of a bad thing took place. I don't know what undesirable thing it will show. Thus thinking, he became anxious. अथ तेन व्याघ्रेण तण्डुलकणान् विकीर्यं जालं विस्तीर्णम्. Then Vyagena means that hunter. Tandulkanala means rice, seeds of a rice. Vikiryam, Jalam Vistriyatam. Vikiryam means by Atha. Then Vyagena Tandulkananam Vikiryam Jalam Vistaranam. Tandulkananam means the rice grain. Jalam means net. Vistiranam means spread. Vyagdhena means a hunter. Now, after having scattered the rice grain and net was spread by the hunter. Such a vrukshasya prushthabhage prachanno bhutva. Sa means that hunter. Vrukshasya means trees. Prushthabhage means a backside or a behind. Prachanno bhutva means hidden. Means now after having scattered the rice grain and a net was spread by the hunter and he stood hidden behind a tree. तस्मिन्नेव काले चित्रग्रीवनामा कपोतराज परिवारेण सह गगने व्यसर्पत. तस्मिन् काले means at that time. Chitragrivanaama means name of Chitragriv. Kapotraja, Kapotraja means king of pigeon. Parivarena saha means with his family. Gagane vyasarpata, Gagane means in the sky. And Vyasarpata means was going. At that time, the king of pigeon named Chitragriv was flying or going in the sky with his family members. Bhumo vikirnan tandulkanala drashtva kapota lubdva abhavana. Bhumo means on the ground. Vikirnan means spread. Tandulkanana means rice grain. Drashtva means seeing. Kapota means peasants. Lubdva abhavana. Lubdva abhavana means become greedy. Means all having seen the rice grain spread on the ground, the peasants were greedy. Tat sa kapotraj tandulkana lubdvan kapotan akathat. Tata means then. Sa kapotraja means that king of pigeon. Tandulkana lubdvana means by seeing the rice grain. Kapotana akathayat Kapotana means to the pigeon and akathayata means say. Then the king of pigeons said to the pigeon who were greedy of a rice grain. कुतो अत्र निर्जन्मने तंडुलकणाना संभव. कुतो अत्र means where. Nirjane vane. Nirjane vane means the place. This is the forest without any people. Tandulkanana. Tandulkanana means rice grain and Sambhava means possible. Having seen the rice grain spread on the ground, the pigeon were greedy. Then the king of pigeons said to the pigeons who were greedy from the rice grain, how could there be a possibility of a rice grain in this inhabited forest? Nirjanvanana means inhabited forest. Tannirupyatama tavat. So think first. Badam idam na pashyami. I don't see any good coming out of this. Bhadram idam means good. Na pashyami means not see. I can't see or I do not see anything good coming out of this. Anena tandulkanena lobhena means as a result of this tandulkanena lobhena means greed of rice grain. Asmakam means our mahada anishtapi bhavartu ahisami. Mahada anishtapi means misfortune and bhavartu aharsi means befall. The king of a pigeon said the pigeons to think first and advised. As a result of this greed of a rice grain, even some great misfortunate may be befall to us. अतः सर्वथा अविचारित कर्म न कर्तव्यम. So, under no circumstances a thoughtless action should be done, because sujirna annam suvichakshanam sutam. Sujirna annam means a well digested. Annam means grain. Suvichakshanam means clever. Sutaha means a son. Susasita means well governed. Shri means a wealth. Nrupati means king and Susevita means well served. Suchintyat choktam suvicharyam yatkrutam. Suchintyat means having thought well. Suvicharyam means having considered well. Sudirghakale api means over a quite a long period. Yatkrutam, what is done. And Vikriyam nayati means does not get spoiled. Means our translation of this slok is well digested food, very clever son, well managed wealth, the king who is well served, something said after thinking properly. Whatever is done after giving it to a good thought do not get spoiled during the course of quite a long period of time. एतद्वचनं श्रुत्वा कश्चित् कपोत सदर्पम् अवदत. आ किमेवमुच्यते means etadvachanam means etadvachanam shrutva means by hearing this type of words. Kashchitam means some. Kapota means pigeon. Sadarpam avadata means said proudly. A kimevamuchyate means why it is said. Means hearing this, certain pigeons said proudly, aha. Why it is said like this. वृद्धानां वचनं ग्राह्यम् आपत्काले ह्युपस्थिते. सर्वत्रैव विचारेण भोजने प्रप्य प्रवर्तनम. मीन्स आपत्काले means in the difficulty or in the calamity comes. Vachanam means speech. Vruddhana means old people. Grahyam means should be accepted. Sarvatra eva. Sarvatra में eva means everywhere. Vicharena means should be think or a thought. Bhojane priya pravartanam means not proceeding even in the case of eating or in the food. The translation of our slok is, indeed, when the time of calamity comes, the advice of old people should be accepted. By thinking thus every time, even eating food will be impossible. Uktam cha, and it is said, Shanka bhi sarvamakrantamannam panam cha durlabham pravrittim kutra kartavya jivitavyam katham nuva. Means Shankabi means by the doubt. Sarvamakrantam means is provided. Kutra kartavya means where should be processed. Jivitavyam katham, how to live. Va means or. The translation of our slok is, indeed, everything is prevented by doubt. Food and water are difficult to get. Where should activity be processed? How indeed should the life be lived? Tasya tadvachanam shrutva sarve kapota tatra jale upavesham. Having heard the speech of his, all the pigeons, sarve kapota means all the pigeons, tatra jale upavishan means sit. Having heard the speech of his, all the pigeons sat down on this net. Anantaram means after that. Te sarve means all they. Jalena baddha bhavata means trapped by the net. Having heard the speech of this, all the pigeons sat down on the net, and then all of them were trapped by the net. Atha jalabadda te यस्य वचनेन तत्र समपतनं तस्य कपोतस्य तिरस्कारं कुर्वति स्म. अथ जालबद्ध, now being bounded by the net, ते यस्य वचनेन तत्र समपतन तस्य कपोतस्य तिरस्कार means criticized the pigeon. By whose advice they got there. Now being bound by the net, they criticize the pigeon. By whose advice they got there. तस्य तिरस्कारं श्रुत्वा चित्रग्रीव अवदत. तस्य तिरस्कारं श्रुत्वा means by hearing is criticized. चित्रग्रीवा अवदत means चित्रग्रीव said, विपत्ति काले विस्मय एवं का पुरुष लक्षणम means विपत्ति काले means in the time of difficulty. Vismaya means to be coward or a features or a failure people. विपत्ति काले विस्मय एवं का पुरुष लक्षण, to be surprised in a difficulty. It is the characteristics of a coward person. तदत्र धैर्यम अवलंब्यम इदानीमेव क्रियताम means so धैर्यम् एवम् अवलम्ब्य मीन्स होल्डिंग द करेज. इदानीम् एव क्रियताम means done. The translation is so holding on the courage, now let this be done. सर्वे एकचित्तभूय. एकचित्तभूय means be of one mind. सर्वे means all. जालमादाय means with the net. उड्डीयताम means fly. Being of one mind, fly away taking the net. Because yata means because. अल्पानाम अपि वस्तूनां संहर्ति कार्य साधिका. तृणे गुणत्व मापन्ने बंधयन्ते मत दंतिनम. अल्पानाम अपि. अल्पानाम means very few things. वस्तूनाम means things. गुणत्व आपन्ने तृणे means with the blade of a grass that have assumed the form of a rock. संहर्ति कार्य साधिका. संहर्ति means possible or complete. I mean कार्य means our work. बंध्यते मत दंतिनम means an elephant. बंध्यते means are bound or tied. So the translation of our slok is the unity or a combination of even a small thing accomplish the task. The huge elephant in a rut can be tied with the rope made out of a blade of grass. Means a little thing of grass can control the huge body of a elephant. इति विचयन्त सर्वे कपूता जालमादाय उत्पतिता. Thus thinking all the pigeons flew away taking the net. तत स व्याग तान जालपहारकानम अवलोक्यम पश्चातम धावति. Then the hunter. पश्चात धावति means run after. The hunter ran after them, seeing them carrying away his net. परंतु तान सुदूरम गतानम. But तान means they, सुदूरम means very far, गतान means go. दृष्ट्वा means seeing, व्याघ्र प्रतिनिवृत्तम means the व्याघ्रम means hunter and प्रतिनिवृत्तम means went back. But seeing them gone far away, the hunter went back. लुब्धकम निवृत्तम दृष्ट्वा चित्रग्रीव अवदत्त means having seen the hunter gone back, चित्रग्रीव said. हिरण्यक नामकस्य मम मित्रस्य मूषकराजस्य समीपे वयं गच्छामः. We will go to my friend Hiranyak, the king of mice. स अस्मान् बन्धनात् मुक्तान् करिष्यति. He will make us free from this bondage. ततः ते मूषकराजस्य समीपं समगच्छन्त. ततः means then. ते means all. मूषकराजस्य समीपं means to the king of mice. समगच्छत means go. Then they went to the king of mice. चित्रग्रीवस्य मित्रेण मूषकराजेन स्वकीय तीक्ष्णे दन्ते सर्वेषां बन्धनानि छिन्नानि. The ties of all were cut by Chitragriva's friend, the king of mice, with his sharp teeth. चित्रग्रीवो अपि हिरण्यकस्य आभारं मत्वा सपरिवार यथेष्टदेशान् समगच्छत. Chitragrif also went to the desired place after having given thanks to Hiranyaka.